Hi everybody, this is Reina. Freaking hot today. Look, blue sky without any cloud whatsoever. It's really hot, and I would like to ask you guys just a simple question or ideas. Why we start moving towards south, a warmer area? People are more open and talkative, and then they are smiley. Yeah, I actually got this idea, well actually seen it, when I was traveling across the states by car with my friend for 3 weeks. From here and went towards east and then through Chicago and Florida and then Alabama and New Orleans, Arizona, and came back to Canada. And then when I was doing this trip, yeah, when we start going down south, people get friendlier and friendlier and friendlier. Some makes us more cheerful. What do you think? It could be because every time when I have a sun like this, I see sunny day like this, and I can't stay home. I want to go out and feel free and then start talking to people, and I'm more cheerful and stuff. And I'm starting to think that it is a good idea for us to be in this sunny, sun-filled area to be happy. What do you think? I'm just wondering, because of the weather, people can go out more often and then, soaking up the sun or having a fresh air. Do you think that actually affect the personality or character of the people in that area? That's all it is. Thank you very much for listening, and talk to you soon. Holy smokes, it's really hot. Don't forget to go outside and feel the fresh air and soak up the sun, and forget about being, dark skinned and stuff. That's normal. Thank you very much for listening, and talk to you soon. Bye. Is she a rock?